Hello and welcome to the device training for the Yealink T74U T-Series office phones. We'll cover over the main features and buttons you'll use every day, including in managing your calls, accessing your voicemail and using the directory, and also adjusting your settings and navigating the phone's interface. Hopefully by the end of this session, you'll feel comfortable using the T74U and its most common features. We will begin by starting off on the middle of the phone. This is where the dial pad is located and also where you'll put any numerical input such as your phone numbers. Where I'll tell you a little bit more about the dialing pattern. You do not need to dial a 9 to get an outside line, but you will continue a 10-digit dialing. That means you will want to enter the area code along with the rest of the number when you call outside of the office, just like you would when using your cell phone. And moving on to the right-hand side is the message waiting indicator. This will flash when you have a voice message waiting or when you have missed a call. Also located to your right-hand side, but also shown on the left, are your busy lamp fields. A lamp field is a row of programmable keys that indicate whether a colleague's phone is busy or not. Usually by the use of the color of LED, you could tell. And moving on, still maintaining on the right-hand side of the phone, you'll find the conversation mood keys. These can be used to call, to change how you interact with the other people. These features also allow operators to pause a call while they seek additional information for the caller or activate any other feature, for example, like call pickup. Right below that, you'll find your transferring call button. It allows you to send an active call to another extension or phone number. This is also very useful when a caller needs to speak with somebody else. You're able to use your busy lamp fields to send the call right on over. Below that, you'll find the redialing. You push this button, you will be able to see the last phone number that was dialed from this telephone. And the last button on the conversation mode key is the telephone speaker button. This allows you to be hands-free while doing any verbal exchanges. We will now move on to the context-sensitive soft keys located in the middle of the phone. We will now begin with the voicemail key. By pressing this soft key, you can retrieve your voicemails. To the right of the voicemail, you're able to locate your headset. You're able to see if a headset is connected here. And the third button will be your mute button, which will stay muted until you're ready to unmute. For the last button, it is your navigating any additional screens. You're able to, if you have more names on the busy lamp field, you're able to access them through here. And right above that, you'll find your navigating keys. You'll find several shortcuts that can provide quick access to the phone's most commonly used features. These buttons help you quickly review your recent calls, find contacts, control any incoming calls, and access any additional phone settings. Beginning with the history button, you're able to view a list of your recent calls here, including any missed, received, or any calls placed. In the directory, you can access your contacts and the company's directory. The DND button will temporarily stop any incoming calls notifications that you normally receive. And for the menu, you can open the phone settings and any additional features that you're wanting to go through. And moving on to the volume button, you can adjust the volume of your phone's audio. While on a call, you can also use it to increase or decrease the caller's voice volume. And when any incoming calls are coming through, you can control the ringtone volume for those calls. Next will be the navigation arrows, the up, down, to the left, and to the right. You can move through menus, call history, contacts, or any settings through here. And lastly will be the cancel button or the back button. This will return to the previous screens or cancel any actions. And that will be a wrap on our training for the Yealink T74U phone. We covered the main buttons, what they do, and how they can help you manage your calls more easily. Thank you for taking the time to go through the training with me. Please feel free to ask any questions or give tech support a call. You can reach them at 1-877-752-8328. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.